Hello, and welcome back to Digit Compare. Today we have something exciting to talk about. If you're looking to supercharge your content creation process, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into Rytr, an AI writing assistant that has been making waves in the world of content creation. Rytr was founded in April 2021, and it's been gaining popularity among writers, marketers, and entrepreneurs. Over 5 million professionals are already using Rytr to streamline their content creation. Let's check out some of the incredible features and benefits of Rytr. Rytr's pricing is budget-friendly, with a free plan that allows you to get started without entering your credit card information. You can generate 5,000 characters and 5 AI images per month on the free plan. And if you need more, they offer 2 affordable paid plans. Rytr can assist with various types of content, from SEO meta descriptions and blog outlines to social media ads. It's not just limited to one style, it adapts to your needs. Creating content with Rytr is a breeze. You simply select your content type, provide a brief summary, and let Rytr do the heavy lifting. One of the standout features is its partnership with Copyscape for plagiarism checking, ensuring that your content is original and free from any issues. Rytr comes with a wide range of templates and use cases, making it versatile for different professionals, including freelance writers, marketers, and business owners. And if you're looking to create images for your content, Rytr's got you covered with its AI image generation feature. So, I've been using Rytr for the past 6 months to boost my content creation. As a small website owner, I understand the time and effort it takes to generate traffic and create quality content. Rytr has been a game changer for me. I use Rytr for a wide range of tasks, from writing SEO meta descriptions to crafting social media ads. The results have been impressive, and what's great is that the content rarely needs extensive editing. Who can benefit from Rytr, you ask? Well, it's not limited to one group. Rytr can empower the lives of freelancers, marketers, and business owners. Freelance writers can use it to experiment with free content generation software, marketers can streamline their campaigns, and business owners can save time on tasks like creating job descriptions. Now, Rytr isn't without its limitations. It excels in short-form content, but may not be your go-to choice for long-form articles. Additionally, some of its SEO features, like SERP analysis and keyword research, need improvement. So, there you have it, our review of Rytr, the AI writing assistant that's changing the content creation game. If you're ready to supercharge your content, check out the link in the description for an exclusive discount coupon code. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews and exclusive deals. And as always, if you have any questions or want us to review a specific product, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Digit Compare, and we'll see